Welcome to my channel. Today, I'll be showing you how to make a classic grilled hot dog. This recipe is perfect for summer barbecues or picnics, and it's so easy to make. Ingredients: for hot dogs. For hot dog buns. Your favorite toppings, such as ketchup, mustard, relish, cheese, etc. Instructions: preheat the grill to medium-high heat. Place the hot dogs on the grill and cook for 5 to 7 minutes, turning occasionally, until they are heated through and have grill marks on the outside. Toast the hot dog buns on the grill for a minute or two, until they are warm and slightly crispy. Place a hot dog in each bun and add your desired toppings. Serve and enjoy. This scene can be useful as a chapter divider or an alternative open title. This classic recipe for grilled hot dogs is sure to be a hit with your friends and family. You can easily customize the recipe based on your personal preferences, and the results are always delicious. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes and cooking tips.